time to head into the kitchen and see what Chef D is cooking up today. And peaches seem to be the main ingredient, the focus, because it's August, right, Chef D?
It certainly is. Trish, my wife, was singing "Good Things Grow in Ontario," so I can't get that out of my head.
Oh
but
no, well, you should sing it for us.
I know. So Leslie, what I've done is I've taken the pit out of the peaches. These are going to go into the oven right now, 450 degrees. But if you have your barbecue on, you could be putting them right on the barbecue grates and grill them. And this is great because if the peaches aren't as ripe as you like them, you put them on the grate, it's going to bring out all those natural sugars and taste amazing for you. So while we're doing that, I got 2 croissants here. We're going to make a really cool peach sandwich.
Oh.
So I'm going to toast them up. While I'm doing that, I have some Nutrifarms pasture-raised chicken already grilled off. So maybe, you know, the night before you have a barbecue and just maybe cook an extra couple of chicken breasts, and you're going to have a really amazing lunch.
Okay. That's what I love about peaches is they're so versatile. You can have them sweet or savory, right?
100%. So just take this off the heat. And then I happen to have some triple cream brie here.
Oh my goodness. Oh, come on. This sandwich sounds decadent already. Brie on a croissant alone.
Right? You know, maybe have a glass of red wine with it, you know, cut the fat a little bit.
Sure, okay. Absolutely.
So we're going to put our chicken, and then I have some cut up peaches, just sliced up. We're just going to place them on, take our croissant, put it over.
Whoa.
We're going to put this into a pan. I'm going to pop this in the oven, and we're going to bake it for about 2 minutes. Or if you have a panini press, you could put it in the panini press.
Sure,
and it would,
I was just going to ask that. Yeah.
And just go from there.
So, you got to melt that brie.
Exactly. Okay, so now the healthy version of what we're going to do today. So I'm going to take some microgreens, and these are all local microgreens that we get here in the Waterloo region, and you can check out in your region as well. There's tons of farms that are now growing all these amazing greens. We're going to put some peaches all over. And because yellow and green beans are in season 2, we're going to add a little bit of green and yellow beans. Some blueberries. And then we're just going to drizzle it with a little bit of balsamic glaze. Like so. Oh. And away we go. So beautiful. Then, now, back to the richness of goodness. So we are going to take some mascarpone cheese and just place it on a bowl. We're going to come back with our peaches.
So these peaches are all nicely warmed through.
Yeah. And so what's this? It's going to melt, and you're going to have this beautiful cream sauce for your peaches. Right. If you want, you can use ice cream instead of the mascarpone cheese, but I think just treat yourself, and as this melts, it's just so good. And then I'm just going to take a little bit of raw honey.
I was just going to say, honey is the perfect topper for that.
Right?
Oh my goodness. And you know what? Peaches are really only great this time of year. Just like tomatoes, we need to just eat them up and just enjoy them while we can, right?
100%, 100%. And then our sandwich is just finishing up. Oh yeah. You know.
Look at this. This is quite the meal. I wish we could all try it. We're all.
I know. Well, you know.
Yeah, we got to get you back in studio here soon when we can.
I better try it just to make sure it's okay.
Oh right. Okay. Yeah. You go ahead, Chef D. You're the best. Thank you so much for coming on the show again.
Thanks
Always love your recipes. All right. Enjoy your peaches.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.